Hi everybody, today we're doing a review on this bag that we bought, or that I bought. Let me change this setting. This bag was purchased last year. It was part of the By the Pool collection 2023. Why is it not showing? I hope you guys can see that. So it has this yellow gradient effect, so yellow, light orange, dark orange. It goes all the way around in the PM size. Looks like that. It comes with two handles that are collapsible, meaning they do fall down to the sides, and then a long crossbody that is adjustable and also detachable, like so. It has Louis Vuitton on these rivets right here on all four corners of the bag, and it has Louis Vuitton on this right here and LV logo on this lobster claw, but nothing on this side of the D-ring. What I like about it is that the D-rings are on the inside of the bag and not on the outside. So if you were to remove the straps and just hold it top handle, you wouldn't see that on the inside, and you can even keep it on the inside as well. And it's reinforced at the bottom, very minimum reinforcement. I wouldn't say it's a super drastic reinforcement on the inside. The inside is a micro suede lining, and this bag is made in France, and it's just this open compartment. It has a zipper pocket on one side where this lobster claw part is, and then on the D-ring side it has the two pockets, which you can fit a phone if you wanted to. I don't put anything in there besides small like bills or business cards, because I don't like stretching the inside pockets of my bags, because I don't use inserts and liners either. The zipper is very smooth. On this side it does it's generous. You can fit a wallet, card holder, your phone even, and it just looks like that. I don't typically use this closure mechanism right there, just because I find it not user friendly, because regardless on if you clasp it or not, it's still an open tote bag, so whatever you have inside, if you dump it out, would still fall out. So that is the overview of this beautiful bag. It's the bicolor, and I love that. The leather is very supple and gorgeous. You can see the graining right there is very lovely. Gold hardware as well. Super cute. We'll do some mod shots later. The chaps are also flat. It's not like a puffy chap, so I like that. So that's really cute. Now let's go with some cons. Because the hardware is on the inside of the bag, you can see that it tarnished and it discolored this inside part. I have not actually tried to clean it myself, just because I'm sure that would come out though. And then same on this side, and the hardware's right there. I brought it into my store and they said that's just part of wear and tear. I hate that excuse because it sounds like a cop-out, because why is it tarnishing? And why is it tarnishing and it's not even a year old? That's what's frustrating about it. Anywho, because the interior is very light, they even told me not to get light bags if I'm concerned about the tarnishing. Excuse me. You should be so happy I'm spending my money here. Anywho, and that was not my sales associate that said that. That was the manager that said that. Anywho, and then I did notice some I guess it's also could be because the bag is very boxy and structured that you can have some corner wears. I do notice some corner wears. And this is me just, I'm not the most delicate, but I'm also not the most rough with my bags. Like, I don't just throw them, and I definitely don't keep them on the floor. And it's also not too big of a bag, but it's not the smallest bag either, that if you do wear crossbody it still sticks out, so you know it could still tend to hit some items. So there are some corner wears, and I'm not a big fan about that. I do like the fact that it falls to the side, the handles, so that part doesn't stick up like this. That would very much irritate me. And it just, you do it like that. I like that part. And then again, the D-rings do collapse. But I guess that would just be my downside to that, to the bag, is just, I guess, maybe craftsmanship. The bag itself is beautiful. I love the colorway of it. I know that they have come out with a new, I don't know if it's part of the By the Pool collection, but it's the Aquarelle collection, and it's more of a pinky orange gradient effect style. And I know the Onthego is also part of that collection. The PM size, which is this size, and also the BB size. I have seen the BB size and I'm not a fan because the straps where the D-ring hooks is on each side of the handle. So one on this side, on the opposite side, similar to the Alma BB, and that's why I don't buy the Alma, because I don't like that configuration, because when you're wearing a crossbody it just kind of tilts and it doesn't lay as flush as I would like it for my bags to be. Looking at it in the mirror, it's so pretty. But with all that said, I have decided to let this bag go. So she is for sale if anybody is interested. Again, I can try to clean the bag out or off of this thing, but if not, I already have a quote from Fashion File. Yes, I know it's at a loss, but I'm also just gonna sell it for what Fashion File has quoted me, plus shipping and PayPal fees. So if you are interested, I will leave my socials down below. Follow me and send me a DM. Again, this is the bag. Comes full set, guaranteed 100% authentic. I will also, I could provide my proof of purchase if you're interested in that. And yeah, it's just such a bummer. It's just, I grew out of style, or it grew out of my style. It's just not my style anymore, and it's just too boxy for my liking. But yes, this is this beautiful bag. Let's do some mod shots. I am 5 feet for reference and a size 14-16. So this is, and then just like holding it, and then and like I said, this is detachable and adjustable. So that's how that looks. And as you can see, like, I'm just standing straight and it does stick out. And that's with nothing inside. What I will say about this leather, it's very light, even though it's, you know, full leather bag. It does fit the crook of your arm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on all my socials. I will link them down below. If you're interested in this bag, send me a message on Instagram or leave a comment down below. I'll also leave my email. Please follow me. I'll see you next time. Bye!